Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome back to the Lotto Code Breaker YouTube channel. We are doing the Mega Millions. Mega Millions. It's one of the hardest, one of the hardest lottos to do. It has got 70 balls, right? And you are expected to only pull five balls, and then the bonus comes out of a pool of 25 balls, right? So the bonus for this one doesn't necessarily pay much, but when it comes to the numbers section, these ones, you're choosing 5 numbers out of 70 numbers. So that's what makes it so hard to do. Okay, so now this is what we are going to be doing on the Mega Millions. We're not going to go for the jackpot. If it comes our way, then that's it. But since we have got we can manage to do, we can play 2 numbers, we can play 3 numbers, we can play 4 numbers. That's what we are going to try to predict, right? If the 5 numbers comes our way, that's a blessing. That would be what we would have managed. But I've come up with some strategies that I've come up with that can give us 2-3 numbers. Yes. So I'm gonna start with the one for the chord. That is my favorite one, right? Okay. I'm gonna start from the bonus 20, the bonus 12, the bonus 22. Okay. You take the 22, multiply it by the date 11, right? So that's 11 multiplied by 22. We get 242 multiplied by the total of balls that we have, which is 70, right? Which is 70. So we will get, the number that we will get is 242 multiplied by 70. We'll get 16940. Okay, we've got a 16, we've got a 19, we've got a 61 here, we've got a 19, 1 and 9, we've got 6 here, a single 6 there, and we have got 4 and 6, which is 46. This one gave us 4 numbers. Okay, now we're doing 18 multiplied by 15. 18 multiplied by 15, we get 270 multiplied by 70, the total of balls that we have in Mega Millions. Okay, so 270 multiplied by 70, it is 18900. So when the number comes out, when the code comes out like this, you should know that that one, there is nothing that is going to come out of there. Maybe you can get one number when the code comes out like this, when it has got a lot of zeros like that. Okay, so we look into this number. See, there is actually nothing that came from there, only the bonus 9. That's what we got. Okay, we proceed and see if the code is broken or it's no longer working. We've got 18 multiplied by 9, which gives us 162 multiplied by 70, which is the total balls that we have in Mega Millions, and it gives us 11340. Okay, first things first, we've got 13. There is 13 there, right? What else? We've got 34, which is 43 sitting here, right? So let me show you the trick now that you do. When you have a double 1 like this, especially if they are the first 2 numbers, right? You cancel those ones and you put a 2 there, right? It becomes 23, it becomes 24. You see, we've got 2 and 3, 2 and 4. Now we got 23. Four numbers. This is a code that we can make money out of when it comes to Mega Millions. No stories about it. Okay. All right. We have got 22 multiplied by 2, which is 44. 44 multiplied by, it's 44 multiplied by 70, right? Multiplied by 70, which is 308, right? 308. You can all see nothing came. It looks like it skips a draw and then it comes back. Okay, right? So now we are here. We have got 25 multiplied by 18, 25 multiplied by bonus 18, which is 450, 450 multiplied by 70, which is 31500. 31500. Okay, so when it's like this, I'll start with 31 and I'll go to 35, right? This is 13, this is 53. Okay, and then I'll go to 30, I'll go to 10, I'll go to 50. Okay, we have got 15. Yes, then these two numbers, 3 and 1, they will give us a 4 and we will have a banker 45. We have a banker 45. That one I am happy with. That banker 45. Okay, that's what the code is bringing us. We are going to be playing the Tuesday draw with these numbers. Okay, we are going to be playing the Tuesday draw with these numbers. Okay, let me see how long we've wasted. We've wasted 7 minutes. Okay, see if I can give you something out of that. What else can I give you? Okay, the strategy of just multiplying the bonus multiplied by the date, it's not really working. It's not doing anything much, right? But I think I will give you another fire strategy again that I will give you for the Mega Millions. Yeah, that will give you about 2 numbers. This is Mega Millions. What else? Let me see if there is something I can give you guys. Okay, look at this. 18 and 19. Okay, 9 into 18 equals to 2, right? Equals to 2. Then 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. It brought back the 18 there. Okay, so just for us to try and do the bonus out of these 2 numbers, what would you suggest? I would suggest 2 plus 18 will give us a bonus 20. 2 minus 18 will give us a bonus 16. That's what I'm seeing on the bonuses, because the bonus for this one is not much of a train smash. It's not a lot of numbers. You can manage to calculate and come up with something from the bonus of the Mega Millions. Okay, so this is what I have for you guys for today. Good luck. Keep on sharing. Comment with whatever strategy that you have seen. There could be a calculation that I would have missed, but when you have seen it, you can also share in the comment section, and Let's grow the channel to 30,000 before the year ends. Let's go to next year with above 30,000 subscribers. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for the support. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your Sunday. Thank you. Bye bye.